So what we have here is an example of an array, and there's two aspects to it that are very important. First of all, there's the type, or there's three aspects of it. First of all is the type. Now, an array type is any normal type plus these square brackets. That's it. To make a type an array type, all you do is add these little square brackets. Next bit of syntax is just like any other variable, because an array is going to be a variable. And that's not our identifier. In this case, I've named my array name array. Next up, though, we have to instantiate it. Now, this is where things get crazy. And the word instantiate is going to become very, very important next week and on week 6 especially. But keep in mind that when we see the new syntax, the new operator is what it's called. It's called an operator, just like the addition operator or the subtraction operator. The new operator is responsible for acquiring memory for our program. And what does that mean? Well, don't worry about it. All it means is that it makes arrays work. So to do this, we have to instantiate our array. So we say new string, then we have our square brackets, but right now we have something inside of our square brackets. So this won't work. You remember how I said that if you add the little empty square brackets next to a type, that turns it into an array type? That's true. But when you instantiate an array, you have to fill the square brackets with a number. That number can be pretty much anything that you want, as long as you have enough memory for it. And what it does is it tells you how many variables are going to be inside of this array.